Hello, welcome to the programme. A British-Australian dual citizen has been arrested in Dubai for a post on Facebook promoting a charity for refugees in Afghanistan. Scott Richards has now been charged with fundraising without permission, 22 days after being detained. Well, strict new laws in the UAE prohibit the operation of any charity not registered there. The mother of Mr Richards earlier told the BBC her son's wife was under extreme stress. Well, Radha Stirling is the founder of Detained in Dubai, an organisation that assists people with legal troubles in the United Arab Emirates, the UAE. She's been following Scott Richards' case closely. I mean, very unfortunate, but actually the charge explains what's gone wrong, isn't it? He did this without permission.
Did it without permission? No, I mean, he was simply sharing a charity online. A lot of people are doing that. If they were going to enforce the laws and against everyone in the UAE who is currently in breach of it, I think 70% of the population would be in prison. He hasn't actually been formally charged yet. They're still at the investigation stage.
How did it get reported to the authorities then?
We're unsure about that. A local media house did do an article about the charity and mentioned Scott, but it could also be someone made a particular report. It's difficult to say.
Where's he been held whilst he's been in custody?
He's in Al Marakabat, which is a police station in Dubai. It's extremely difficult conditions there, and he's applied to be transferred to a regular prison. The police detention is not really designed to keep people in there for weeks on end. It's quite appalling conditions there.
Is there another problem here, that the trust, the family trust he was posting on his Facebook page says that he has no links and is not working for them? I mean, were he doing that, could this have been resolved, do you think, more quickly?
No, I don't believe so, no. Technically, he was only providing volunteering work outside of the UAE, and we're arguing that he's not even in breach of these laws. He's only been providing sort of pro bono advice about this organisation. I mean, it is quite extreme, this law, in that, for example, if a British person went there within 2 months and they were supporting Oxfam or an anti-fox hunting campaign back home that they've always supported for their entire lives, they would be prosecuted under this law. So you can see, I don't think when they enacted this law that they expected it to be enforced in this manner.
He's got dual nationality. What help is he getting diplomatically?
The family and campaigners are putting pressure on the government to provide diplomatic intervention and certainly speak to the UAE government about this situation, because the laws are so new, and as far as we know, no one else has been prosecuted under them. So we're hoping that government will intervene, as they have in other cases, but the embassies themselves are not really able to offer much assistance beyond information and advice.
All right, OK. Radha Stirling, thank you very much indeed.